I'm David. I'm a systems administrator at a church, and I give GIMP a 4 out of 5. We selected GIMP after using Adobe Photoshop and after using Corel. Some of those just did not give us the flexibility that GIMP gave us, and that's why we chose GIMP. We chose GIMP after using Adobe and after using Corel and some of those typed applications. We felt like GIMP gave us more flexibility in editing out a main subject in an image and then putting a translucent background or combining it with something else. GIMP was just easier to do that in than the other two. The onboarding of GIMP was relatively easy. I use it on both a Mac and a PC environment, and the application is the same. The only issues that we have with onboarding is it's not quite as intuitive as Adobe and as the old Corel that we used, but it will do so much more. So it didn't take us long to get up to speed and be able to do what we needed to do. If you're thinking about downloading GIMP, and it is a free software, it's a great software, but you need a level of technical expertise with image manipulation that I did not have at first. And I had to learn some things. It's not as intuitive as Adobe, but it will do so much more that it's worth checking out and it's worth using.